The white-headed pigeon is a pigeon native to the east coast of Australia. The pigeon's habitat is from Cooktown, Queensland to southern New South Wales, with increasing numbers now found in eastern Victoria. It can commonly be found in tropical regions, subtropical rainforest, scrub, watercourses, and street trees. The white-headed pigeon draws its name from its distinctive white head, neck, breast, and belly. The upper parts are grey-black with a green or purple iridescence. The white-headed pigeon's nest generally consists of scanty twigs and is usually placed high in canopy up to 18 meters. It tends to lay one cream white egg. Breeding is mostly from October to December. These pigeons are often found alone, in pair, or in small flocks. They are very quiet and elusive. Their flight is swift and direct. This bird's diet consists of fruits and seeds, with its favorite food being the invasive Camphor Laurel. Adults range from 38 to 42 centimeters from beak to tail and weigh around 420 grams. Here's what they sound like.